So this is our little EcoFlow RIVER 600. It's charging. You can see it has the branding there on the top. This little label will need to come off. It is pretty loud when it's charging, but it shows us, the input there, the watts. I guess it's being charged on the wall. As we zoom in a little closer, recharging time, it says 1 hour. It's at 31%. Looks like 164 watts coming in. Output is 0. And I just have it plugged in right over here. This little power button here just kind of strobes now that I've turned this on, and we'll come back and check it here in an hour or two, see how it works.